React.js is a powerful JavaScript library developed by Meta in 2013 for building efficient and fast applications. In React, we combine both HTML and JavaScript using JSX, which makes the code more readable and easier to write. React uses a component-based architecture, allowing developers to build independent components that manage their own state. These components can be composed together to create complex UIs and big-scale applications. React is a top choice for many developers and companies as it is fast, scalable, and flexible. Learning React opens up many job opportunities and allows you to create dynamic and responsive web applications. Plus, React has a huge community and extensive ecosystem, providing numerous libraries and tools to enhance development. If we compare React.js with other JavaScript libraries like Angular, Vue, then React is the most widely used one. Top companies like Facebook, Instagram, Netflix uses React to build their user interfaces. With React, we can create not only web applications but also cross-platform apps using frameworks like React Native. This versatility and the support from large community make React an essential skill for modern developers. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and share and subscribe to our channel for more coding tips and tutorials.